Hey nieces and nephews, it's your Uncle Chris. My gas has been turned off. When life gives you lemons, you make lemonade. Or in this case, Cajun pasta on the grill outside. They ain't gonna stop me. Let's go. Alright, first things first, nieces and nephews. I'm already got the fire going outside. I've got a pot on the fire to boil the pasta. On the inside, I'm going to start the sauce. I have melted down at least 3 tablespoons of butter. That's already hot. I'm putting that in the pot. Yes, I am. I'm going to take my Cajun seasoning, if I can get the top off one-handed. And I am doing this one-handed, as you hear the top drop. Put your Cajun seasoning in, okay? I put in 2 tablespoons, all right? That's just because I want the spice in there. Now, I'm going to take my heart-healthy cream of chicken soup and get it all in there. Yes. Now, I'm going to take just the broth off this chicken soup because I'm using it like chicken stock, okay? I'm going to pour that in. All right? I'm using about half of it. Now, I'm going to stir this around and put it on the grill outside and let it come to a simmer and then take it off. Meet me outside. All right, nieces and nephews, you thought I was kidding. No, I wasn't. I'm out here in the backyard on the grill, boiling my pasta. Yes, I am. Boiling my sauce. Nice and thick. Grilling me some corn and sitting by the... Oh, yes. Yes, I told you I was going to have a waterfall, and I do. I made it myself. I'm going to show you how I did it. Okay? That's going to be in the upcoming video. Okay, I'll show you how this thing works. Basically, the waterfall part was donated to me by a friend who didn't want to have it no more. But it didn't have a pump or anything. I went out and got a pump, as you see down in there. I also have a basin that came from the dollar store. It's an oil changing basin. Filled that with water, put the pump in, got the tubing that goes through there, hooked it up, and the rest is history. I surrounded it with rocks and some mulch, just for decoration. Also, there's a solar fountain down in there. See it floating? So sometimes when the sun is right, it'll spew up like a pretty fountain. At night, it'll light up too, if there's enough sun. Otherwise, I put it in there. All right. This is going to be done real soon. I'm going to put the chicken on here. You know, the sauce will stay warm enough. The pasta definitely will. I'm going to turn this corn around. All right. Just put the chicken on the grill. I'm going to grill that. Put the sauce on the indirect heat, keeping it warm. The pasta is basically done. Once that's done, I'm going to turn the corn over, slice up the chicken, and plate the dish. How relaxing. Ah, yes. I let my corn get a little crispy on one side, too much, but I let you see it how it is. All right, so just be aware that I had to run away for a bathroom break. Guess I ran away too long. All right, now what I'm gonna do is, now that I got that chicken grilled, I got it toasty on one side. I don't want it that toasty on the other side. I'm gonna put it to the indirect heat and put the top on. All right, same thing with the corn. Move it off the main heat and let it bake on the indirect heat, okay? All right, indirect heat. To assure that this chicken breast was good and done, I filleted it open and put that on the grill, okay? Butterflied it, I should say. So it'll be nice and done. And oh, by the way, I am using a hickory charcoal, so that's gonna be real good. Ooh, yes, sir. The corn is gonna be good. Look at that. Oh, yes. All right. I'll be right back. Right, back inside the house, let's plate this dish. Let's put us some pasta. Oh, yeah. Some chicken breast, I sliced up off camera. Over top as best I can with one hand. And of course, plenty of this lovely sauce we made. Some parsley for a color. And some fresh tomatoes over the top. Just to be fancy. For some color and some taste. Now, ta-da, done. Nieces and nephews. Nieces and nephews. If I can do this without a stove, think of what you can do with a stove. Alright? Just remember, if things get tough, you got an imagination. And no matter how tough it gets, you can still overcome. Okay? Time to put on your big girl drawers or your big boy drawers and get to working. It's okay to cry every once in a while, but remember, get back up on your feet because you're a fighter. That's right. And the word woman, by the way, you know what that stands for? Willing to overcome man or anything that gets in your way. All right. Till next time, nieces and nephews. Big love from Uncle Chris. I'm about to chow down. The nephews, I just had to add this. This corn on that smoky grill is off the chain. The pasta with the chicken.